Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clapper app. First of all, do sign up or log in into the app. Once you complete that, it's going to take you to this display where for you to create content, all you have to do is click on the plus button. So you can either create radio content, and for that to work, you need to have Clapper use your microphone, or you could create video content, take videos, make sure it has access to your camera, or you could go live, and this will work because it already has access to your camera and your microphone. And this is how your profile looks. What I have to do here is click on your creator space, and it will take you to this display where you'll be given information about live videos, how you do videos, and how to monetize, and also get support from the app. Basically, you can earn money through this app through activities like inviting your friends. So if your friends click on the link, they'll earn something and you also earn something. Or you could also earn through live videos. This is what you earn per live video and also the extra bonuses you get from going live. Or you could create groups on Clapper with your friends, or also click on My Fam. And this basically is how you create subscription plans for different tiers on Clapper. So every tier has a different subscription and different benefits per subscription. Also, you could also monetize through your shop. You can add things to your shop and earn money from people who buy stuff from your shop. Also, you could also verify your email to make sure that your account is authentic. So for you to be verified in the Clapper app, you have to follow all these guidelines for you to be verified. Also, this is the Clapper Academy. This basically teaches you how to navigate through the Clapper app, what to do, what not to do, what you could get, and how you could get all the benefits this app has to offer for you. Now from the settings tab, you'll be able to see your coins, check out your membership, and general settings like push notifications, privacy and safety, manage your account. If you want to have access to your Clapper coins, that's how you can have access to your Clapper coins. If you want to manage your account, you can link your phone number, email, your shipping address. And if you want to delete your account, this is where you go to delete your account. This is an overall video that shows you how to work around the Clapper app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.